Pull the bottom of the front panel and remove it. Unscrew and detach the right and left panel. Fix fans on front of the chassis. Install the PSU into the case. Mount the motherboard with CPU, water block and memory into the case. Secure the motherboard with screws and connect cables. Install the liquid cooler radiator in the top of the case. Install the rear fan. Install fans on the internal board. Install graphics card and secure it with screws. Connect power cable to graphics card. Unscrew the hard drive bracket from the case bottom. Pull out the drawer. Secure hard drive on top of the bracket. Fix another hard drive into the plastic drawer. Insert the plastic drawer back to the bracket and install the bracket into the case. Attach the two side panels back again.